Hi, I'm Governor Dvbs. I believe in leading by example. That's the reason why the 16 hectares wasteland was converted into a demo farm to showcase different possibilities we can do. Welcome to Barangay Demo Farm. We imported Senapol cows from the US and acquired Brahman bulls to breed with the native cows. This is my favorite project, the livestock upgrading, where we do a lot of crossbreeding with the native goats. These are native pigs which we raise organically. Here in the demo farm, we also have the vermiculture project where we produce the organic fertilizer. This is a typical barangay house with backyard garden. I wish this will be adopted in all the barangays in the province. Since Ilocos Sur is a coastal province, we are also growing coconut seedlings for distribution. We are also famous for our onions or shallots or lasuna. We also grow the yellow corn, which is one of the fastest growing industry in the province. You have high blood? This katuray, good for you. And we also grow native tobacco here called burley. What I'm going to eat now is a grilled eggplant, sauteed with tomatoes and onions called puki-puki. And this is my favorite, the world famous Ilocano cuisine called pinakbet, which is organically grown here at the Pinakbet Garden. These are one-day-old chicks that we brood at the demo farm, and after 21 days, we distribute it to the different barangays of the province. This is one way of solving malnutrition and at the same time, poverty reduction. These are the 100 chicks that we distributed to the different barangays. Now, they're returning 8 to me, and in return, I'm giving back to them another 100 chicks to sustain the program. Have you seen the chicks that we have distributed? This is how they are raised. Free range, and it's organic. We are also raising different kinds of native chickens. One of the interesting projects here at the demo farm is the breeding of fighting cocks for distribution to the backyard breeders to upgrade their existing stocks. We are also raising these as our alarm system because they make so much noise, and it's an economical way of securing the farm. As I've shown you, the different possibilities in this ever-growing demo farm, I know that we can all soar high in Ilocos Sur. Soar high, Ilocos Sur!